Well, hello again. Thanks for watching Simple Cooking with Braden Brand. Today we are working with one of my special recipes, which is what? Turnips and spinach mixed together. It's very simple, but it's very good. It's very healthy for you. So instead of waiting, let's get started. I am making turnip bottoms and with spinach. I'm gonna make some meals around it. This is my Sunday afternoon meal. That's all. So you just cut this like this. I'm cutting the onions, the bell peppers. Okay. This is the thing. I had to buy the whole turnip bunch to get the bottoms because they didn't have no turnip bottoms. And the turnip bottoms they had were so awful looking, there was no way I was going to buy them. So I've got to cut up all these turnip bottoms. And it don't take long to cook turnips, because they just boil down. You make a little thicker gravy to them, and then you have the turnips, and drop the spinach in right before they're done, because spinach takes absolutely no time to finish cooking. And I'm gonna fry some chicken. I don't eat a lot of fried foods, but I'm gonna fry some chicken, make some cornbread and some rice, and that's gonna be my Simple Cooking with Braden Brand. And that's gonna be it. So let me go ahead and cut these up real quick, and I'll be right back at you. So now, you cut them in chunks. Almost just like you do everything else. Cut in chunks so you can cook them down. Especially the biggest ones. Cut them in chunks. Everybody don't eat turnips, but I eat turnips. Turnips are really good for you. When I was younger, I told my mom, no, I don't want no turnips. I don't even like turnips. They nasty. Turnips are really a really good vegetable you can cook. As a side dish, it's really good. They're really good. My dad taught me how to cook turnips. Let me cut these real quick. I love this knife. This knife is so good. Now this is gonna be the simplest meal you can ever cook. Because all you're gonna do is cook them down, put your spinach in it. That's why it's called Simple Cooking with Braden Brand. I don't cook no hard meals. My meals are very simple. My meals are 30 minutes, maybe. 30 minutes. Maybe 30 minutes. Now, you put water in the pot. You drop the turnips down in the water. Watch how simple this be. So this is gonna become very simple. I left one, so now remember I took the onion and bell pepper out, right? Okay. You have your onion, your bell pepper. I'm putting some salt. Pepper. That's all they gonna shoot. Don't put a lot of pepper. You don't want it to be too hot. Now, put it on the stove. I have my butter, I have my salt, I have my pepper. I have my touch of sugar. I have my onion, bell pepper, and water. Put enough water in that's gonna allow you to let them cook down, because they have to cook down, because turnips are real hard, and that's where you want them though. Anyway, I'll come right back. So I'm cutting the ends of the spinach off.
6'8", 6'7", that ain't small. Oh, he's small too.
Now what I'm gonna do is cut my spinach small. I don't like my spinach big leaves. And then I'm gonna cut the stem off. I don't know if you're supposed to cut the stem off or not. Nobody haven't told me yes or no. Tell me if you do cut the stem off yours when you're cooking. But right now I'm cutting the stem off, and I rinse it off, so when it's time and it's ready, then my spinach is ready to dump into the turnip. Okay, here's my spinach. I'm gonna go get my other meal ready, because most of you all already know how to fry chicken, so don't think I need to show you how to fry chicken, but I got my spinach ready. As you can see, the turnips are real tender. You can just swish, get that out the way. That's a stem or something, but as you can see, the turnips are real tender, so you just swish it up and it's gonna squash. So now you have all your seasonings in it. You taste your seasonings, and then you dump your spinach in it. The spinach is gonna cook down to nearly nothing, so swerve the spinach around and then just let it cook for like turnips. Let it cook for like 10 minutes. Yes, this is my cornbread turnip with spinach, chicken wingettes, fried. This is my broccoli. And thanks for watching Simple Cooking with Braden Brand. I will see you next week. Didn't that look scrumptious? I know it did. Go and try it. It's good, and it's a good vegetable for you. Thanks for watching Simple Cooking with Braden Brand. From my kitchen to yours. I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.